Looking for a solid gaming laptop that doesn't break the bank? The Asus TUF Gaming A15 FA506NCR packs. Serious performance with AMD's Ryzen 7 and an RTX 3050 GPU, all wrapped in a tuje. The TUF A15 stays true to its name. It's built like a tank. The chassis comes in a sleek graphite black finish, and while it's slightly chunky, that's part of its rugged appeal. You get a one-zone RGB backlit chiclet keyboard that looks clean, with a satisfying tactile feel. The Ryzen 7 7435HS is an 8-core, 16-thread processor that can boost up to 4.5 GHz. Paired with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM at 4,800 MHz and a 512 GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, this laptop handles multitasking, productivity, and gaming smoothly. For graphics, we've got the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 4 GB of GDDR6 VRAM, capable of playing most modern titles at medium to high settings at 1080p. Thermals are handled well with Asus's cooling system, though the fans can get loud under heavy load. The 48-watt-hour battery is decent, giving you around 4 to 5 hours with regular use, but expect less when gaming. The 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display offers a 144 Hz refresh rate, which is great for smooth gaming. Brightness is capped at 250 nits, good enough for indoor gaming, but not the best for outdoor use. The 16:9 aspect ratio is standard. You get a decent selection of I/O, 1 USB-C with DisplayPort, 3 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HDMI 2.1, and an RJ45 LAN port. Wireless is solid too, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. Keyboard backlit chiclet, keyboard one-zone RGB.